morning, team. It is Thursday morning, but this is like my Friday because I have tomorrow off because I have to get a new washing machine installed. We have a bunch of calls today. It has been just like a jam-packed week, which is awesome, but at the same time, like, oh my God, I'm tired. But we're getting after it today. We got our morning fuel, which is a Blue Alani this morning. So good. I love caffeine. Other people may like, I don't know, do Zins or smoke or whatever. But for me, my vice is caffeine. And honestly, I'm not mad about it because it could be way freaking worse. Off to our first call. We got a service call this morning. No cool call. Likely a drain line. He said that there's water in the pan, so that tells me basically 100% it is a drain line. So come along, spend a day together. Hopefully I take more clips than normal. That'd be awesome if I could actually get a full day, because I've been really bad about taking up the day in camera. Good morning.
Hey, Austin.
How are you?
Good.
Good. Getting the day going. You know how it is. So let's see. It's gonna be.
Have a good day. No
Thank you.
car.
Yeah, I'll try. I'll see you later. All right. Take care. Been getting into really good working routines, workflows. If you guys saw the video about me talking about protecting your mornings and protecting your peace, honestly, that has ruled probably one of the best habits I've ever picked up. However, I will say the past couple days, my girlfriend's been a little under the weather. I've been a little under the weather. So I have been sleeping in, but we're gonna continue to get after it. Look how cute these freaking puppies are. Oh my God. He's got a little corgi. Oh my God, I love dogs. Customer is having a new cool call, which is their drain line. There's water in the pan, turns everything off. Pain in the ass for the homeowner, but pretty easy to take care of. Let's go see what all came out of there. Doesn't look like much, but it's definitely enough to have a drain clogged. Just take a pick. Boom. All right, guys, we just finished up the first client of the day. Just an easy little service call. Had to fix their drain line. They are maintenance members for me, so they did get priority service today. So they were my first client. I was over there at 8. Usually when it comes to emergency calls, I'm out there within like the next morning, depending when the call comes in. And he called me last night at 10 p.m. So I usually have my CSR AI thing take care of that, but it booked them in for Friday morning, and that's just not gonna work, especially in this heat. So I texted him, got him in first thing this morning. They were a little kooky, I guess, but they're good people. Now we are headed to our next clients. Usually majority of my work is pretty centralized, so I don't have that far of a commute to go from client to client. This one is about 6 minutes from this past one. But going to rock out a maintenance there, and we have 2 UV lights and another maintenance going down today, and that'll be our day. Got a couple of errands to run after work. Gonna go get a afternoon lift in and then take a practice test for my contractor's exam later. So we got a pretty jam-packed day, but today's my Friday, so I cannot complain. All right, guys, just finished up our 3rd client. We did a little maintenance service for him. He had some really cute puppies, so I'm gonna show you guys the video there. Really nice guy. I always feel bad whenever I do older people and it's just them. I don't know. I just have a bleeding heart, I guess. But I'm off to my next one. We got 2 UV light installations this morning, and then we have maintenance to tie things up, and we'll be all set today. So just moving and grooving. Alright guys, we're out doing a UV install today. This client is a snowbird, so it is just me, which is always nice because my clients trust me enough to have me out in their home when they're not here, which is, again, nice. So this will be our last client today because unfortunately our last maintenance is going to be rained out. But that is a-okay. We'll get her moved. That's the thing about Florida, especially this time of year, is like the weather is so freaking unpredictable that it is just difficult to get things scheduled. But we make do. Let's get it kicking, guys. Oh. So we got this UV light finished up here. You can see it is shining. Nice, good unit. They also have an Ecobee thermostat, so we're all set here. All right, guys, we just got done with our last client for today. Our maintenance appointment did get rained out, which sucks, but it is what it is. So I'm headed over to Target now to pick some stuff up, and then we're gonna go home, eat, go to the gym, and then, I don't know, figure out the rest of the day.